What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. What are you up to? Huh? What are you up to? Hi, baby. That's a good boy. That's a good boy coming over to say hi to Daddy, huh? Don't do it. I know you're gonna knock it over, aren't you? Are you gonna knock it over? What a good boy. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. You're such a big guy. Oh my God, I love you so much. You're such a good boy.
There's probably geothermal activity or magnetic distortion. They came on the rock. Well, no offense. Pretty out there. You don't get it.
You gonna swipe my computer?
It's not out there.
You gonna swipe everything and mess it all up on me?
It's in the static. It's in the moisture.
It's okay. You do whatever you want. You're perfect.
What's in here is up there. What's up there is in here now.
Good boy. Good boy. That's my baby. That's my baby boy.
Dude, it's already morning. Oh, hey, I will let you know if I see you spot. You might see her, but I don't think you'll recognize her.